A loose connection was causing circuit 1 compressor to trip out because it wasn't getting proper voltage. And this is what I found behind the fuse. Even though it showed the fuse is good, this is what I found. Always check your connection. I tightened the connection and I replaced the wire. No longer shaking. And I tightened all those. This is the wire I replaced. It was overheating. And this is the other piece. And that wire runs through here, and comes in here to the drive. And it was L3 that was not getting proper voltage. And it's L3. Even though the fuse was good and I was getting 208, it wasn't getting the proper voltage to the drive for circuit 1 compressor. The alarm is going off the drive and it's no longer blinking red. And the alarm is gone.